these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. That means I gotta go get it. I know a lot of people, they doubt it. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, wrong.
Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. You know who it is. It's your girl, the Glam Goddess of DIY, here today to bring you all another inspiring glam DIY idea. Okay guys, so today we are going to make some sconces, and I previously made these sconces before, but they were in silver, so my inspiration is coming from that. And someone asked me, would I make those in gold? They wanted to see how they looked in gold. So that's what we're doing today, guys. And we are going to be using our Dollartree beach boards, these little wooden boards. And we're going to use these mirror tiles. And I got these from Amazon. We're also going to use these mirror tiles, and I got these from Amazon. We're going to use these 4x4 mainstays picture frames from Walmart. We're going to use some crystal diamond ribbon, and we're going to use these crystal diamond sheets. We're also going to use 8 of these mirror tile pieces. And you also can use the chrome, the auto trim that I usually use. You can also use that for this part that I'm doing these on. Okay guys, so let's get started. Okay guys, so now we're just gonna go ahead and turn these over. And you can spray paint these gold if you like. I'm doing this, trying to do it quickly. So we're just gonna place our tile where we want it to be. And of course, y'all, these tiles are old. I keep reusing them. That's why I say that even though they may seem to be expensive, you can constantly reuse these tiles and make different projects with them. I have made so many projects, and some of these tiles I've had for years. So, and I know it look like it right now, but I'm gonna clean them off. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and glue this down, and we're gonna move on with the project. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking so far. So I'm gonna clean these up, but before I do, we're gonna go ahead and make our candle holder. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put these on the wall so you can see the full effect. Okay guys, so this is how the sconces turned out. I think they turned out beautifully, guys. I love this. And if you like what you see, then you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. Be blessed. I am.